Many facilities today face the dual challenge of aging infrastructure and a growing skills gap. As seasoned experts retire, newer technicians are left managing outdated systems, often with legacy software that's slow, limited, or no longer supported. Instrumentation configuration software helps bridge that gap, offering modern tools to connect, configure, and maintain field devices more effectively. In this video, we'll show you how to get started, streamline your workflow, and bring your operations up to speed with ABB's Field Information Manager. Once you navigate to the website, scroll down to the software section and download both the configuration software and additional driver package. For this tutorial, we'll only be installing the standalone configuration package. Be sure to check all the server connection boxes for maximum compatibility with your USB modem. It's recommended to install FIM before modem drivers, as there may be issues with FIM detecting that driver had it already been installed. Once you've opened up your first instance of FIM, check the 3 communication server types. The remaining ones would require an IP address which isn't supported for the unlicensed version. There will be a dialog box that appears showing that this device is an unlicensed free version of FIM. Choose the Use Device Windows Edition selection to make this disappear. Now click on the hamburger menu and navigate to the device catalog. This is the library for all of the device drivers that FIM supports. Then find your unzipped file of additional driver packages and drag and drop them into the library. They will populate it with the latest FDIX file types. FIM supports both FDIX and EDD file types for smart devices. At this point, FIM is done being installed. Now I'll install drivers for an RS222 to RS485 USB modem. These simple communicators are able to read and write to Modbus devices. To do this, search for ftdichip.com. Once here, navigate to the Drivers drop-down and click on VCP Drivers. Then download the correct driver package for your operating system. Once the file is unzipped, you can locate it by opening the Device Manager dialog and finding the Ports drop-down. There you can install the VCP driver for the communicator. Since this is making a change to your computer, you'll be prompted to restart. Click the Restart Now button so modifications can go into effect. Once your machine is restarted, open an instance of FIM and connect the communicator. FIM will automatically detect the device and show it in the topology page. Now we will navigate to the device settings and learn to export and import device settings. Not all instrumentation will have this feature as it varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. In this example, we're specifically using a Modbus guided wave radar from ABB. Click on the Extras tab and then the Import-Export button. Then export the current settings. The file is saved as an XML type. Now we'll make some changes to the current device settings to test if the saved file will overwrite them when we import. The guided wave probe type will change from rod to cable, and the end of probe type will change from insulated to weight. Now, navigate back to the Extras tab and click the Import-Export button. But this time, click the Import tab. Here, find the XML file from earlier and import the file to the device. This will take a few minutes to overwrite the settings. Now we'll check to confirm that the changes were made. If you have additional questions, contact ABB by searching My Measurement Assistant and navigating to Support. ABB, engineered to outrun.